Hey, what's up, guys? Look, I'm so thankful that you put your name and your email in, and you're looking for those tax secrets, right? You're looking for the the 10 most expensive mistakes that business owners and especially real estate professionals make that cost them thousands. So look, those 10 are simple: audit paranoia, wrong entity, you missing the QBI deduction. You may not even know what that is. You might even be in the wrong retirement plan. Missing family employment. You're missing medical. You're missing home office, or maybe you're using it but you're not doing it right. You're also missing car and truck. You could be doing that wrong in business mills, but you're probably failing to plan. Guys, good news, I'm going to send you that video. See, that video is about an hour long, right? So you don't want to sit here for an hour. So I don't want to hold you that long either. So I'm going to send you the video. It's got all the details about all 10 of the most expensive tax mistakes that real estate business owners do every single year. So guys, I appreciate you for joining me today. My name is Jay Moore. I'm your healthy accountant. And look, I want to give you 3 secrets, right? 3 secrets that will help you know the tax secrets of the wealthy, but also help you to bank $25,000 to $100,000. Now, would you like to know about that? I'm sure you would. But before I jump into that, there are a few things that you might be doing that could be costing you to $25,000 to $100,000 right now. You may not even be staying on top of your revenue like I know a lot of people don't. See, I talk to business owners all the time. I say, well, how much money have you earned this year? They say, I don't know. You haven't stayed on top of it. You're waiting to consult a professional, right? But while you're waiting, you're not even keeping up with your business. Now, you won't be able to participate in these wealthy strategies if you're waiting. You have to be doing something. Guys, you may even be commingling your business and your personal expenses. Is that you? Look, if that's you, I'm here to help you because I'm gonna release you of all of the things that could be costing you money today, especially in taxes. You may not even know the health of your business. You don't know the health of your business, meaning you don't know the lifeblood of what's happening inside, and you may not understand exactly how you're going to get from A to Z. Oh man, I'm glad you're here. Stick with me to the end because I'm going to help you to be able to understand these tax secrets. Now, here's the thing. You may even be forgetting to save financial records. A lot of people come and say, man, I don't have any records. I'm like, well, how in the world are we going to produce a tax return for you? I don't know. And maybe you're not reconciling your books. Look, if you're not, staying on top of your revenue, you're probably not reconciling your books. Those are just some of the issues that I've seen in dealing with a lot of business owners, especially in real estate. But here's the thing. I know that you would like to have $25,000 tucked away in your bank account, or $100,000. Just depends on how much money you earn. Like, I don't really know how much you would get, but I'm saying I know you want it. So I'm going to share with you 3 secrets. 3 secrets that will help you to understand. Look, you can easily do this. You can easily get $25,000 to $100,000 in your bank. These are tax secrets of the wealthy. All right, so look, the first thing you must know, or the first secret is, there is no cost. It doesn't cost you anything to leverage the tax secrets of the wealthy. And you're saying, well, Jay, how in the world will it not cost me any money? Simple. It's simple, right? But I'm going to give you a quick story. Here's the story, right? I was working with a client. Just got this client last month of 2017. And there's a lot of stories like this, but this one really came to my mind. Last month of 2017, there were 3 weeks left in December. His wife was about to have a baby. I'm talking about she was going to burst any day now. We met, we talked, we implemented one strategy, and when we filed his tax returns, he saved $10,000. Now, here's the thing. He saved $10,000. Had we not implemented that strategy, he would have paid the $10,000. So the exchange was, it didn't cost him anything because he would have paid he would have paid $10,000 more to the IRS. Well, he went ahead and paid for tax services $4,000. Who would not pay $4,000 to basically save 10? So in essence, you kept 6. So imagine all types of things that could happen in your business if you keep saving money. See, that's what I'm saying. The secret is it doesn't cost you. The wealthy know this, and they've been doing this forever. You want to get wealthy. Now, here's the thing. Secret number 2. Here's secret number 2. Everyone is an accountant, even you. You're like, what are you talking about? I'm an accountant. Jay, I hate accounting. I get it, man. I get it. Because I went to school for accounting. I'm a CPA. And it's up there on the wall somewhere, the certificate that I got from the state of Maryland for passing that test. But the thing is, I was an accountant long before I decided to go to school. Here's how I know you're an accountant just like me. I remember my first paycheck, right? Remember getting the paycheck, and you got your paycheck, you knew you put in your 40 hours, and next thing you know, you looked at your check and you was like, wait a second, that's not right. Well, if I add up my hours, Mr. Boss, it really looks like you guys in payroll messed up my stuff. Look, that's the first level of accounting, is counting your money. Who can count money, right? I did a video earlier, and I was like, you can count 1, 2, 3, 2 times 10, 10 times 20. I know you can do it. You're an accountant. I guarantee you right now, if you were closing a transaction and you were looking at the HUD statement and your commission wasn't right, I bet you would be counting up some dollars. So look, everyone is an accountant. That's all it means. I count money for a living, which I know you want to count your own. The only reason I became an accountant because I could count money for a living. But I wanted to count mine, but you know what? I figured I'm going to have to help you because you need to understand these secrets, the fact that the wealthy has been doing it forever. Everyone's talking about Trump and how Trump is this and Trump is that. But I'm going to tell you, Trump knows his money, and Trump knows that it doesn't cost him any money. It doesn't cost him any money to do any of the stuff that he's going to do, especially when it comes to his accounting. So guys, secret number 3. That was secret number 2, and I'm going to let you go pretty soon. You can control how much you pay in taxes. Did you know you can control that number? You're like, well, how do I control it? See, by understanding the tax secrets of the wealthy, a lot of these things that I, listed that I'm emailing you, be on the lookout for this email. You can decide how much money you're going to pay the IRS or pay your state, whoever. So here's a quick story about a client, right? So a client comes to me in March. And he says, hey, Jay, here's my information, man. I want to go ahead and file my tax returns. And I go through his information and find out that he sold a piece of property. He sold a piece of property without calling me up to find out what he should do. Here's what happened. He sold the property. Got paid, right? But then he had to stroke the IRS a big old fat $80,000 check. So when I spoke to him, I said, man, it's too late. Like, you could have called me up and I could have told you how you could have got your money. And then I could have told you how you could have kept your $80,000 and still got your money. So guys, if you're in real estate, you're investing, you're flipping, you're keeping houses, you're renting houses, do not sell a piece of property without calling your tax advisor. So look, if you want to control the amount of money that you are paying to the IRS, that you're paying in taxes, you're going to have to make sure that you consult. You're going to have to make sure you give someone a call because you can control it. But if you don't say anything and you just show up after everything has happened, then more than likely you're not going to benefit from these tax secrets. So guys, look, those are 3 secrets. Now here's the thing. I want to ask you a question. And here's the question. Did you know that it didn't cost you any money to basically have or work with the tax secrets of the wealthy? Did you know that? Did you also know that you are an accountant without a degree? You probably didn't know that either. Did you know that you can control how much money you can pay in taxes? Did you know that? So guys, if you did not know, if some of this information is brand new, well look, I understand. I've been there. Look, I'm an accountant, right? And I had to get some coaching in my own business. Got coaching, had to learn some new things about my business, about myself, so that I can prepare this video for you today. And because I prepared this video for you today, here's what I believe that we could probably agree on. We can agree on. You would like to benefit from the tax secrets of the wealthy, right? You want to benefit? Look, if you want to benefit from the tax secrets of the wealthy, if now you understand that, wow, all this time I could have been working with somebody that could be helping me to keep more money in my pocket, not just going to get your taxes done at the end of the year, not just, avoiding the fact that, you have to address a tax situation. No. See, now what you can do is you can say, wow, it's not going to cost me anything. I'm going to make a lot of money in my real estate business or whatever entrepreneurial endeavor I'm working, and I'm going to be able to bank $25,000 or more. Yes. Look, if that's you, if you find that you want to benefit from these tax secrets, here's what I want you to do. It's pretty simple. I would like you, and it's up to you, to schedule. I want you to schedule a free strategy call with me so we can talk about you. It's not about me, guys. I want to talk to you about you, what your business is doing, how your business is doing it, and then let's see if we can build a bridge of working together or finding a solution. A lot of times we could find a solution right on the phone, and maybe maybe you don't even work with me, because a lot of times I'm always going to provide value for you and your business. So guys, if this is you, I want you to schedule a free strategy call, because what we learned today is that there's no cost. You're an accountant, and you can control how much money you pay in taxes. So guys, I appreciate you for joining me today. My name is Jay Moore. I'm your healthy accountant. Look, make sure you follow me on Facebook, Jay Moore CPA. Also follow me on Instagram at thehealthyaccountant.com. Guys, I look forward to seeing you on the strategy call real soon. Take care.